Hi friends, and welcome back to the introduction to our last challenge day, the completion day. Let's review what we had so far. The first day was Breath Awareness Day, and we learned to seize the moment using our breath and remembering to take long consciousness, full breaths throughout the day. The second day had to do with practicing constant forgiveness, cleaning up some of our karma and assuming responsibility for all of our actions. The third day was Non-Judgment Day, where we took a whole day out of our lives to become more aware of judgment to self, judgment to others, to completely stop gossiping, and to see things from a non-dual perspective. The fourth day was Meditation Day. We had a continuous practice, a morning meditation practice and an evening one. The fifth day was Mindfulness Day. We had two rules to follow. The first was to only do one thing at a time, and the second was to always come back to the present moment. And yesterday was the Thought Awareness Day, where we tracked our thoughts back to their origin and tried to detach from overthinking and clear our mind. The Completion Day is the last day of the full 1 week consciousness challenge. And in the Completion Day, we're going to be practicing everything we have learned in the previous days together. Of course, I don't expect you to be a perfect angel or a Care Bear, walking around like a monk on drugs or anything like that. The point of this last day is to put together all the tools that you've learned about yourself in the last week. Heightened awareness. Be forgiving, be mindful, be meditative, be accepting, be free of attachments. Do the things that you really enjoy without overthinking about them. I want you to take it really easy. You can start right now, tomorrow morning, or even tonight. Find time to meditate or simply observe. Choose a meditation you connect with. There are plenty of different types online, or you can just use one of the ones that I gave you. There's plenty ones to find also on YouTube. When you do something in this day, try to focus on that one thing. When you find that you're too much scattered all over the place, remember to breathe and come back to your center. These are all very easy things to do. Easy practices that we already did throughout the challenge week. You've probably learned a lot, and I'm really proud of you for making it so far and for being persistent with your choices. The way to preserve some of all of this knowledge is to just become more aware of your habits and strive for better habits. I'm very happy that you decided to stay with me all the way to the end, and I know that you're the type of person or a light worker that is really persistent and understands how truly amazing self-development is. Now that we're done, I'm going to add you to my newsletter, and you're going to start receiving pretty soon my latest videos and some posts. I hope you keep in touch. If you're serious about taking yourself to the next step, just find one of my global workshops. I usually do 7 or 8 around the world. It will be all in my website. It was a pleasure being with you. I love you all, and thank you very much.